SAP Ariba is a cloud-based procurement and supply chain management platform offered by SAP. It is designed to streamline and automate the procurement process, connecting buyers and suppliers on a digital platform. Here are some key features and functionalities of SAP Ariba. Sourcing and supplier management. SAP Ariba provides tools for strategic sourcing, helping organizations identify and select the right suppliers. It enables the creation and management of sourcing events, such as requests for proposals, RFPs, and auctions. Supplier management capabilities allow for supplier qualification, performance tracking, and collaboration. Procure-to-pay process. The platform supports end-to-end procurement processes, from requisitioning and purchase order creation to invoice processing and payment. It automates workflows, facilitates electronic approvals, and integrates with back-end systems for seamless data transfer. Supplier network. SAP Ariba has a vast global supplier network, connecting buyers and suppliers from various industries. This network allows buyers to discover new suppliers, access supplier catalogs, and collaborate with suppliers in a digital environment. Catalog management. SAP Ariba enables the creation and management of catalogs containing products and services offered by approved suppliers. Buyers can search and order items from catalogs, ensuring compliance with procurement policies and negotiated agreements. Contract management. The platform provides contract management capabilities, allowing organizations to create, manage, and monitor supplier contracts. It facilitates contract authoring, version control, electronic signatures, and contract compliance tracking. Collaborative supplier relationships. SAP Ariba promotes collaboration between buyers and suppliers through features like Supplier Collaboration, performance management, and scorecards. It enables real-time communication, document sharing, and visibility into supplier performance metrics. Analytics and reporting. SAP Ariba offers robust reporting and analytics tools to provide insights into procurement activities, supplier performance, spend analysis, and savings opportunities. Users can generate reports, create dashboards, and perform data analysis to support decision-making. Integration with ERP systems. SAP Ariba seamlessly integrates with SAP ERP systems, such as SAP S/4HANA, ensuring data consistency and process integration between procurement and other business functions. Mobile capabilities. SAP Ariba provides mobile applications that allow users to access the platform and perform procurement activities on the go. This enhances flexibility and enables users to stay connected with suppliers and procurement processes from anywhere. SAP Ariba is widely used by organizations of all sizes and across various industries to optimize their procurement processes, increase efficiency, and drive cost savings. It enables digital transformation in procurement, fostering collaboration between buyers and suppliers and improving visibility and control over the entire procurement lifecycle. Here are some additional details about SAP Ariba. Supplier risk management. SAP Ariba helps organizations assess and manage supplier risks. It provides tools to evaluate supplier financial stability, compliance with regulations, and sustainability practices. This enables organizations to make informed decisions when selecting and managing suppliers. Strategic sourcing. SAP Ariba supports strategic sourcing activities, including supplier discovery, request for information, RFI, request for proposal, RFP, and reverse auctions. It helps organizations streamline the sourcing process, negotiate better terms with suppliers, and achieve cost savings. Contract compliance. SAP Ariba helps ensure contract compliance by providing visibility into contract terms, monitoring obligations, and tracking performance against contractual agreements. It helps organizations avoid contract leakage and enforce compliance with negotiated terms. Supplier collaboration. The platform enables collaboration between buyers and suppliers through features such as shared workspaces, document sharing, and communication tools. This fosters better communication, reduces manual back and forth, and enhances collaboration throughout the procurement process. E-Invoicing and Payment. SAP Ariba offers electronic invoicing capabilities, allowing suppliers to submit invoices electronically. It streamlines the invoice processing cycle, reduces errors, and accelerates the payment process. The platform also supports various payment methods, including electronic funds transfer, EFT, and virtual cards. Supplier performance management. SAP Ariba provides tools to track and manage supplier performance. It enables organizations to define key performance indicators, KPIs, monitor supplier performance against these metrics, and provide feedback. This helps drive supplier improvement and better collaboration. Global trade compliance. The platform includes features to support global trade compliance, such as managing import-export regulations, customs documentation, and restricted party screening. It helps organizations navigate complex international trade regulations and ensures compliance with legal requirements. Real-time analytics. SAP Ariba offers advanced analytics capabilities, providing real-time insights into procurement data. Users can generate reports, visualize data through dashboards, and perform data analysis to identify trends, track savings, and optimize procurement processes. Integration and extensibility. SAP Ariba seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions, including SAP ERP Systems, as well as third-party applications. It also provides extensibility options, allowing organizations to customize and extend the platform to meet their specific procurement needs. SAP Ariba is a comprehensive procurement solution that helps organizations transform their procurement processes, drive efficiencies, and achieve better collaboration with suppliers. It leverages digital technologies to streamline procurement activities, enhance visibility, and enable data-driven decision-making. What is future scope of SAP Ariba? The future scope of SAP Ariba is likely to be influenced by several key trends and developments in the fields of procurement, supply chain management, and technology. Digital transformation. The digital transformation of procurement and supply chain management continues to evolve. SAP Ariba is likely to play a pivotal role in helping organizations transition to more digital, automated, and data-driven procurement processes. AI and machine learning. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning into SAP Ariba can enhance decision-making, predictive analytics, and process automation. AI-powered insights can help organizations make better procurement decisions, optimize sourcing, and identify cost-saving opportunities. Blockchain integration. Blockchain technology can be used to enhance transparency and traceability in supply chains. SAP Ariba may explore blockchain integration to provide secure and immutable records of transactions, reducing fraud and ensuring the authenticity of products. Sustainability and responsible sourcing. Sustainability and responsible sourcing are becoming increasingly important for businesses. SAP Ariba may expand its capabilities to help organizations track and report on sustainability metrics, ensure ethical sourcing, and reduce the environmental impact of their supply chains. Supplier collaboration. Enhancing collaboration with suppliers and fostering closer relationships can improve procurement outcomes. SAP Ariba may develop features to facilitate real-time collaboration, information sharing, and risk management with suppliers. Globalization. As businesses expand globally, SAP Ariba's scope may involve addressing the complexities of international procurement, including compliance with various regulations and trade agreements. Integration with other SAP solutions. SAP Ariba is part of the broader SAP ecosystem. Integration with other SAP solutions, such as SAP S/4HANA for Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, can provide end-to-end visibility and efficiency in business processes. User experience and mobility. The future of SAP Ariba may include enhancements in user experience and mobile capabilities, allowing users to access and manage procurement processes from anywhere, on any device. Data analytics and reporting. Advanced data analytics and reporting capabilities can provide organizations with deeper insights into their procurement operations. SAP Ariba may focus on improving data analytics tools for better decision-making. Compliance and risk management. Organizations face various compliance and risk challenges in procurement. SAP Ariba may continue to develop features to help organizations manage regulatory compliance, mitigate risks, and ensure contract adherence. It's important to note that the future of any software solution, including SAP Ariba, depends on evolving market dynamics, customer needs, and technological advancements. To stay up to date with the latest developments and future scope of SAP Ariba, it's advisable to follow updates from SAP, industry trends, and user feedback. Consider consulting with SAP representatives or experts in procurement and supply chain management to gain insights into how SAP Ariba can support your specific business needs.